Python is a fantastic programming language, but it has one significant flaw. It moves far too slowly. Also, being slow will make you the target of criticism from the Rust and C++ cats of the world. Thankfully, things are going to change because of a brand new programming language called Mojo, which is a superset of Python. Mojo is not just 2 or 10 times faster, it is up to 35,000 times faster than the old Python. It is very important because Python is the dominant language used for artificial intelligence. But in reality, anything that needs to go fast is written in C or C++. We will give Mojo a test run in today's video, but before anything else, here are 5 things you should know about it. 1. It was developed by a company founded by Chris Latner, the guy who created the Swift programming language and the LLVM compiler toolchain. If there is someone who can solve the problems with Python, it will be him. And if you don't know what LLVM is, then watch this video. 2. Mojo is designed to program AI hardware like GPUs running CUDA and other accelerators. This is achieved by the multi-level intermediate representation to cope with the foreign hardware types without causing a lot of complexity. And it also has a built-in auto-tuning feature to optimize your code for your target hardware. 3. Just like TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, Mojo is a superset of Python, which allows the user to take advantage of this programming language without having to learn another language. And this is unique compared to other modern system languages like Rust, Zig, Nim, and so on, which require existing Python programmers to learn a new language. Mojo has a number of more advanced features than Python, like var and let declarations and structs, but it is fully compatible with Python. The Python ecosystem can be used to interoperate with it, which means you can still use your favorite libraries like NumPy, Pandas, etc. 4. Type checking is added to the language to ensure accuracy. Dynamic types can still be used if you prefer, but static types are necessary for optimizing performance and error checking. For memory management, Mojo has an ownership system and borrow checkers similar to Rust. Also with pointers like C, manual memory management, it is supported by Mojo. It is a realistic language with the flexibility of being safe or unsafe according to the need. The fifth and final thing you need to know about Mojo is that it is currently unavailable to the public. It is still at an early stage of development. In the future, it will eventually be open sourced, but at the moment, a waiting list exists to try it out. To run the program, you can create a file in .mojo or .fire emoji, which is an excellent advantage over Python, as Python does not allow you to save your files with .snake. The code can also be executed in a Jupyter notebook where it behaves like an interpreted language. A struct and a Python class are comparable, but structs are static while classes are dynamic. To create mutable and immutable variables, the struct has the keywords var and let, whereas def is replaced by fn, a tighter type of function. And also take note of the built-in type known as single instruction multiple data, which indicates a vector in which a single instruction can be performed simultaneously over several components on the underlying hardware. As soon as we have this struct, we can use it in the Python implementation as a type. Then after benchmarking the code once more, we can see an absurd 500x performance improvement jump. But we still aren't satisfied. The 100x advantage we get from querying the vector width in the interloop rather than hard coding, it seems small in comparison to what we are about to achieve. We can use linear algebra, which is ideal for parallel computation. Our speed boost will be increased by 2000 times by simply making our code multi-threaded. Using the built-in parallelized method, we can actually cache and reuse data with greater efficiency thanks to the built-in tiling tools in Mojo. and we can even auto-tune them to discover the settings that work best with our hardware. In comparison to the original Python code, the execution speed has increased by literally 4,000 times. That's quite bizarre. Your thought, guys? Really? Do you believe that Python and C might be killed by Mojo simultaneously? Even though I'm a little skeptical, companies are already recruiting Mojo engineers with 10 years of expertise. I appreciate your viewing and I'll see you in the next video.
So, guys, this was for today. Give us your thoughts on this in the comment section, and if you appreciate our content, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with your family and friends. We will meet you soon in the next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.